Respected judges, parents, and my dear friends, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting subject: how we can approach Jesus through Mary. Mary was chosen by God and given the gift of grace, free from original sin. Mary was also Jesus' first teacher. She taught him how to walk, how to talk, and all other things a mother would teach a young child. She raised him to adulthood, following every foot of the cross, cherishing every moment with her beloved Son. During her life on earth, Mary was granted many blessings. When Angel Gabriel appeared to Mary, she said, "Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done according to your word." When she said this, she opened the will of the Lord. Then, at the wedding feast at Cana, she saw the wine had run out. So she told the guests, "Do whatever Jesus tells you." When we see that Mary's will is ultimately God's will to be done. By doing the rosary prayer and meditation helps us to be more Christ-like. The rosary prayer is not a prayer to Mary, but a prayer through Mary to Jesus. If you ignore the fact Mary through Jesus, you're making things much harder. But in allowing the devil's put roadblocks to your path to holiness. Thank you very much.